I like my cookies with booze, homeboy. So I'm gonna start with a little egg, and I just going with egg whites here, okay? Oh yeah, you see that little quick flip? You saw that, Martha Stewart? For a second I was nervous, but I knew I had to do it, you know what I mean? Martha didn't mean know nothing about that. The eggs come pre-cracked. Because you gotta understand, when you get a certain level of richness, like, you ain't cracking eggs no more. You gotta do it to do that, okay? An egg cracker. And the sad part about that is, the dude who doing that for these rich people, that's a minimum wage job, you know what I mean? But I craft my own eggs, because this is the American dream right here. I'm building, ground up, Martha. Now let me give this a little whisking, okay? Hey, TV chefs, watch this. I go into it with sugar, right? But I want my sugar to whip in at the same time. This makes it feel like my old car, you know what I mean? like all rough. You pick a chick up and it's like, okay? It's cool if music blasting and it's on time, but there's no music because the radio don't work, and we just there like this sweating, and the windows couldn't go down, dude. Oh my God. Guys, butter, okay? Some of y'all might call it butter, but hey, I can't help it if you're uncultured, like, you know what I mean? Heavy whipping cream, okay? Some of you might call it heavy whipping cream, but you only got the kind of money where y'all can call it creme. That doesn't even make sense. Okay, this right here, this flour, homeboy, okay? Flour. And this right here is vanilla extract, okay? You grab a couple vanillas, squeeze them hard, and salt. Why? Because salt's in everything, okay? Where would we be without high blood pressure medication? All right. Now we're mixing these bad boys together. I think this is good to go. Guys, you come in with your little spoon, right? And you just go a little plunk right here, plunk like so. Now, I need this thin, and I need it rectangular, okay? I really all going, wait a minute, Scott, that's not a rectangle. Give me time, homeboy. You see the rectangle beginning to take shape now? Guys, I just making sure I got all my lines right. Now, oven time. Get that in the oven just like so. And let's watch the magic happen. Oh, snap. Look here, homeboy, look here. You gotta get straight to work. I got a straw here. Notice how soft it is?
Damn.
Yes, sir.
So cool.
Damn is correct. Guys, this is hot, so me wearing gloves, you know, oh yeah. You know, it goes kind of like, because the straw need to come out, guys. So guys, we can keep it seamed down and let it cool, okay? Seam down. Guys, so I got it cool down. And now what I'm doing is just turning the straw as I pull this out, you know? So I just twist back and forth. Oh, look at Daddy. Daddy can see you. Can you see me, guys?
Yes.
Hey, Mom. Guys, this melted chocolate, okay, I just took out of the microwave. I got some chocolate candy melts, and you melt them down. And now I just coming in here, and I'm just pasting, homeboy. Yeah, okay. Now, guys, now I come in behind that with my sprinkles before the sets. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, just to show you the straw works, I got a piece of tissue here, a napkin. Damn, this tasty. You got your little Irish cream, okay? Here's a little bit of Irish cream for you. Hey, 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 don't put your lips on that glass. You don't know if it's clean. Let me get you a straw. Now go ahead, and guess what else? You can nibble on the straw. And there you have it, the DIY cookie straw. How come? Oh, you see it beginning to melt? So like you getting like these little color streaks on top of the Baileys? But this ain't really about the alcohol, it's more about the straw. So anyway, look here, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, okay? Don't eat this and drive, unless you put it in milk, which is fine. It tastes good. See, the straw works. Sky, who's gonna drink that? Someone who didn't know I just blowing it. Anyway, stay Tipsy.